So I've been trying to film a YouTube video for quite some time now, and I never get to it because I'm such a perfectionist at heart. I want it to be the right lighting, the perfect da-da-da, the best da-da-da. So I just decided I just need to do it. So I'm literally filming in my living room with no lighting on my iPhone. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to show you guys kind of an updated routine as to like what I do for my makeup every single day. So yeah, stay tuned. So my face is all washed. I have moisturizer on, and what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna go in and spot conceal. I don't wear foundation every single day. I did for a little bit, but then I just realized I was like, I don't really need it. So why wear foundation every single day if you don't need it? So I'm going in with spot concealing. I just recently discovered the BFF Perfecting Concealer Longwear by Il Makiage, and so I'm just gonna take half a pump on my hand, and it's super creamy and like long wearing, which is nice. This packaging is also very cool. Packaging is always cool for Il Makiage. Okay, and now I'm just gonna take the foundation brush in 100 and just kind of just go over my entire face so it's a little bit even. Now I'm gonna move on to, what am I gonna move on to? I think I'm gonna do my brows. So what I like to do is I like to just brush them out to start. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take Brow Factor. This is my new favorite brow, as you guys could probably know if you follow me on Instagram. But this is shade Truffles, and it's a cream texture. It's super long wearing, and the reason why I like it so much is because it does not come off. That's what I like to hear. And I'm gonna take brush 170. Just take a little bit of it. I'll show you guys the difference of it. So it's super creamy, long wearing, and it really defines your brow. I love Mariah Carey lately. I don't know what it is. I'm obsessed with her music. I'm such a dork. She's so OG. And everyone gives her so much hate, but I'm like, it's Mariah. Okay, now you can see the difference between this brow and this brow. It's just so much more defined, and it just really frames your face better. The brows are done. Now I'm moving on to, yes, my favorite lately, which is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. It's a cream contour palette, which is awesome. And I'm gonna take brush 104. I'm gonna use these two shades at the end. What I like to do is go. Now I'm gonna take the middle shade and just outline my nose to give it some height. And I like it because it's a cream contour palette, so it's nice. It just blends easily. This is a cheap nose drop. This Kaja highlighter, I've been really liking it a lot because I think it's very subtle and the texture is really interesting and it's just not too crazy. It just makes my face look really fresh and very natural. The blush. And I like to use a stippling brush for blush, which is kind of weird, I guess. I'm gonna take this light tap. I like Vogue because it's like a healthy flush. It's not too crazy. And what you do is you smile. You get the apples of your cheek, and then you work backwards. Take the Trendsetter palette and do a look. So I'm gonna take shade Do Your Thing, and I'm gonna use this big fluffy blending brush. It's by ColourPop, and I'm just gonna dust this pinky color all over my lid. It's called Shopaholic, and just put it over my brow bone. And I'm going to just outline my eyes, and I like to go above the eyelid. So if you see where your crease is, go above the crease because it'll enlarge in your eyes. Now I'm going to take this shader brush, and then I'm going to take Red Bottoms, this metallic shade right here, and just pack it onto my lid. Super pigmented. Okay. I'm gonna go back into this deeper brown purpley shade and just really pop the outer corner. Lip liner Rose. I'm just lining my lips. I don't have a pencil sharpener. I don't know where I tried looking for it, but I already had. So you're gonna have to put it with it. I'm going to take Liquid Lip in Gala. So this is the end look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm finally doing this, so